Hello all. Today I'm going to talk on an important topic, that is these underwire bras. So as you can see, I have these two underwire bras which I bought from Clovia, and these were for 1000 rupees, three bras, and from which two bras were underwire bras. And when I bought them and started using, I started getting hurt. So I just thought like to open them and see. So as you can see, these are the casing done for these underwires, and I'm going to cut this casing. So I've cut this, and now I'm going to show you. Like this, I have cut the other part also, and going to take out the underwire from this. As you can see, these are these underwires are bent, and this is the reason why they hurt us. Now I have another set of underwires which I have taken out from the other bra. Many of them think that these underwire bras, because they hurt us, they are useless. So the best solution for these underwire bras are, you can just take out the underwires and they are ready to be reused. If you have any related queries, you can comment us. So every day I come across many clients who actually don't know which size bras to be worn. And if in case you too face the same problem, do comment us. We will be happy to guide you on the same. Thank you.